Mas grabe po kayo, syempre. Popstar royalty coach ko yan. Sarah Geronimo.
Darren, ikaw ang nag-coach sa akin sa The Voice Kids.
Maraming salamat po. Of course, Ate Sarah, thank you so much for making this dream collaboration come true. And maraming salamat po syempre for, you know, all the tips and everything you've taught me.
Wala!
Opo, share ko lang po, of course, when I invited Coach Sarah to be part of my 10th anniversary, talagang nag-guest po talaga siya agad. And it means so much to me.
Kunin ko lang yung towel mo.
Thank you po.
Hi, Sir Song!
Thank you po. Thank you po.
I just want to say, Darren, nahihiya man ako magsalita. Pero, Darren, mahal na mahal ka namin. We all know how amazing you are as an artist, as a vocalist. You are amazing. Pero, what made me love you so much more is your heart. Grabe yung puso mo, Darren. Every time I would see you, napaka-genuine ng happiness lang. Every time na nakikita tayo, sobra akong bilib na bilib sa'yo, sa humility mo, Darren. Mahal na mahal kita, mahal na mahal ka namin. At alam kong maraming dekada pa ang tatagal mo dito sa industriya. If you remain humble, despite your greatness.
Thank you po.
I love you.
I love you too. Maraming salamat. I love you so much po. Thank you po. Grabe. Thank you. Give it up once again for Miss Sarah Geronimo. Wow!
Naligaw.
Who would have thought makakapagmasya pa nga